Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to Math Learning Tutorial. So students, today we are going to discuss about the second chapter. Okay, that's linear equations in one variable. Okay, linear equations in one variable. So children, linear means first degree equations. Okay, and those equations must have one variable. Okay, now suppose 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. It is having only one variable x and degree of this equation is 1. So this is linear equation in one variable. So children, even in class 7th we have learnt about simple equations, no? That simple equation other name only linear equation in one variable. So here now we are going to solve problems in somewhat depth in this chapter. Okay now. So children, here to equality symbol there are two sides. So this is RHS and this is LHS. RHS, LHS. Okay now. And children, here the value of the variable which is satisfying the equation. Satisfying means making LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. The value of x which is satisfying the equation is called a solution of the equation. Okay. The value of the x or the value of the variable which is satisfying the equation, that is making LHS is equal to RHS, is called a solution of the equation. To find the solution, children, without transposing we can solve. With the transposing also we can solve. Earlier we learnt already without transposing method. So in this class we are going to solve problems with transposing method. So in transposing method, what is the process, children? While transposing the like things terms from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, from one side to another side, plus becomes minus, minus become plus, into becomes divisor, divisor become into. Okay, so we follow this, children, strictly and see what is the solution of this equation. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. We write like this, children, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. First plus 5 we have to transpose. After transposing, plus 5 becomes minus 5. So 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to what, children? Into 2x means 2 into x. After transposing, that is by 2. So that is x is equal to minus 5 by 2. X is equal to minus 5 by 2 is called solution of this equation. X is equal to minus 5 by 2 is solution of this equation. Now whether it is correct or not, how to check, children? First take the LHS. So what the LHS? 2x plus 5. Substitute this x value here, children. 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 5. So 2 cancel, minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. So here we got LHS is equal to RHS, therefore it's correct answer. So this is the process to check the solution. Okay now. And children, the standard form of the linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0, where where a is not equal to 0. Ax plus b is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. And solution to this equation is, okay, solution to this standard form is x is equal to minus b by a. X is equal to minus b by a. Okay, now children, so based on this we solve problems in the first exercise. Now let's see exercise problems. So children, now let's see first problem in exercise 2.1. Solve the following simple equations. In that first one is 6m is equal to 12, children. Okay, 6m is equal to 12. Children, here 6m is equal to 12 means 6 into m is equal to 12. So this into becomes by now. So what we get, m is equal to 12, into becomes by 12 by 6, 6 ones are 6 twos are. So therefore m is equal to 2 is the solution. Okay, now let's see the second one. So what is there? 14p is equal to minus 42 is there, children. What is p is equal to, into becomes by, right? So minus 42 by into 14 becomes by 14. 14 ones are 14 threes are, negative by positive is negative only. P is equal to minus 3. So minus by plus is minus. Okay, plus by minus also minus. Minus by minus is plus. Plus by plus is plus. Okay. So now let's see the third problem, children. Minus 5y is equal to 30. So you can solve y is equal to what? This into becomes by. Okay, now so try this problem, children. Try third problem. Now let's see fourth problem. Okay, this fourth problem also similar to previous problem, children. This into becomes by. Okay, so solve this problem. Now let's see fifth question, children. Okay, so what is the fifth question? 34x is equal to minus 51. So children, 34x means 34 into x. After transposing into becomes by. So x is equal to what? Minus 51 by 34. Okay, minus 51 by 34. So children, 17 is common factor. 17 threes are 51. 17 2s are 34. Therefore children, x is equal to minus 3 on 2 or minus 3 by 2 is the solution. X is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the solution. Now children, let's see problem number 6. N by 7 is equal to minus 3. Okay, problem number 6. N by 7 is equal to minus 3. Children, by becomes into. This by 7 after transposing into 7. So n is equal minus 3 into 7. Minus into plus is minus. 3 7s are 21. N is equal to minus 21. Now let's see 7th question children. Okay, so 7th question is 2x by 3 is equal to 18. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Okay, so children, by 3 becomes into 3. Okay, so here by 3 after transposing into 3, so you can write 2x is equal to 18 into 3. And into 2 becomes by 2. So what you get, x is equal to 18 into 3. This into 2 becomes by 2. 2 1s are 2 9s are. 9 3s are how much? 27. 9 3s are 27. Okay. Now let's see next question children. Problem number 8. So problem number 8. What is the question? 3x plus 1 is equal to 16. Okay. 3x plus 1 is equal to 16. Children, here plus 1 is there and into 3 is there to x. First constant. So other than this variable, constants are there, no, with plus or minus symbols. Constants there means that we have to transpose first. So this plus 1 becomes minus 1. 3x is equal to 16 minus 1, which is equal to 15. 16 minus 1 is what? 15. So children, now 3x is equal to 15. What is there? 3x is equal to 15 children. Now what x is equal to into becomes by. So 15 by 3. So 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So x is equal to 5 we get children. Okay, now x is equal to 5 we get, and x is equal to 5 is solution to this 8th equation. Okay. Now children, let's see the next problem. Let's see the next problem. 3p minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, 9th problem. So if 3p minus 7 is equal to 0 children, after transposing minus become plus. So that's 3p is equal to 7. Into becomes by. So p is equal to 7 by 3. Okay. So 10th problem, 13 minus 6n is equal to 7 children. Okay now. So 13 minus 6n is equal to 7. If question is like this children, you can do like this. So negative variable is there, no? Transpose minus 6n to the right hand side plus 7 to the left hand side. Okay, so 13 minus 7 is equal to 6n. Okay, so 13 minus 7 is what children? 6. 6 is equal to 6n. Or you can also write it as 6n is equal to 6. Then what n is equal to children? 6 by 6 into becomes 5. 6 by 6 that is equal to 1, and n is equal to 1 is the solution. Now let's see 11th problem. So 11th problem, what is that children? 200y minus 51 is equal to 49 children. So then what is 200y is equal minus 51 after transposing plus 51. So 49 plus 51. Children, then what you get? 200y is equal 49 plus 51 value is 100. Okay, so 100. Then what y is equal children? Into becomes by 100 by 200. 2 to 0 square, half. So y is equal to half or 1 by 2 is the solution. Okay now? Now let's see next problem children. 12th one. 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. See. Problem number 12. 11n plus 1 is equal to 1. So 11n is equal to what children? 1 minus 1. So you get 1 minus 1 as 0. N is equal to 0. Into becomes by 0 by 11 is 0 only. 0 by anything is 0 children. So here solution is n is equal to 0. Now let's see next problem children. Problem number 13. So 7x minus 16 is equal to 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16 children. So what 7x is equal? Minus after transposing plus 16 plus 9. So x is equal to 7x is equal to 25 children. What is x is equal to into 7 because by 7 no? So you get 25 by 7. So solution of this equation is 25 by 7. Okay now. Now let's see 14th question children. Okay, let's see 14th problem. What is the question? 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. 8x plus 5 by 2 is equal to 13. So now children, what is 8x is equal to then 13 minus 5 by 2. 13 minus 5 by 2. So 8x is equal to, children, 13 nothing but 13 by 1. So take the LCM. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 into 13 is 26. Minus 2 1s are 2. 1 into 5 is 5. That is equal to 21 by 2, children. 8x is equal to 21 by 2. Now children, if 8x is equal to 21 by 2, what is x is equal to 21 by 2? This into 8 becomes by 8. Already by 2 is there, children. After transposing, you get 21 by 2 into 8. So that is equal to 21 by 16. Therefore, children, here x is equal to 21 by 16 is its a solution. Okay. Now let's see the next problem. Children, let's see problem number 15. 4x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 9. So 4x is equal, minus becomes plus, children, so that's 9 plus 5 by 3. So 4x is equal, so 9 nothing but 9 by 1, 9 into 3. So children, take the cross multiplication of LCM. So 9 into, I'm taking the cross multiplication. 9 into 3 is 27 plus 5 into 1 by 1 into 3, that's 3. So we get 4x is equal, 27 plus 5 is 32, 32 by 3. Now what x is equal, children? Into becomes by 32 by 3 into 4 comes. Into here 4 into x is there, no? After transposing, so that will be multiplied with the denominator 3 into 4. So 4 ones are 4 8s are, children. So therefore x is equal to 8 by 3 is the solution. X is equal to 8 by 3 is the solution. Now let's see the next question. Question number 16. X plus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 and half. Children, convert it into improper fraction. So x plus 4 by 3 is equal to, how to get the improper fraction? 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 7 divided by 2. Then what is x is equal to, children? 7 by 2 plus 4 by 3 after transposing minus 4 by 3. So x is equal to LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, children. 2 3s are 6. That 3 into numerator 7. 3 7s are 21. Minus 3 2s are 6. That 2 into numerator is 4. 2 4s are 8. 21 minus 8 value, children. 13. So 13 by 6. Therefore, solution of the equation is x is equal to 13 by 6 is the answer. Okay. So children, so this is the process and this is the way to solve this problem, children. Okay now. So children, we have completed first exercise in second chapter. So I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. Okay. And children, please subscribe and share my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye and take care.